Ukraine has officially established the world's first unmanned systems forces, dedicated to advancing the capabilities of unmanned and robotic warfare across air, sea and ground. This ambitious development program aims to enhance defense capabilities. Also, it will position country as global leader in unmanned military technologies. Philippines is constructing first BrahMos anti-ship missile base that faces contested South China Sea. The satellite imagery shows new camp built at south of Philippine Merchant Marine Academy, although the Philippines government is yet to officially announce the site of the deployment of these anti-ship missiles. The production of the Kurganets 25 infantry fighting vehicle has been spotted in the assembly lines of the Kurgan machine building plant. The Kurganets 25 features modern digital control system, improved armor, and active protection system to counter various threats, including anti-tank guided missiles. BAE Systems Bofors is set to unveil its latest ground-based air defense system, Tridon Mk2 at Eurosatory Defense Exhibition in Paris. Tridon Mk2 boasts high precision, firepower and modularity, making it suitable for protecting both military and civilian infrastructure.